So let's see what we have here, shall we? The two signatures, the first and the second signature. Maybe I'll make a third one, don't know yet. I tried to make the spines somehow even, so that if you have your spine, first spine on the left, and then you open up the second, you might have a gap, but you could easily adjust with this with a writing board. Maybe I'll make a writing board to go with this. Let's see. Okay. The first page, just coffee dyed paper with some yellow spray ink and cutting dies for stencils. On the back you still can see the coffee stains. Yeah, I simply had to color it up a bit. Stamping is my favorite. This is die cut. I sprayed with distress oxides. I love how I love the outcome if you really use it like you should. Spraying, drying, watering, maybe putting the water again, from it. This is simply an envelope with a window. Let me show you. There. Again, stamping. Very simple journaling card to go in there. This has 3 hinges. This copy of a newspaper. Excuse me. Then 2 strips with from the wet tape. Yeah, I had to stain them. Leave me alone. There you could see in the video how I ripped the paper, inked the rip, and then I put on some age tape, clear tape I've made myself. Here I will definitely stamp, add some splatters, don't know yet. Simply the book page. I left it nearly as it was, and yes, I really had fun with this. Stamping, spraying, drying, again spraying, distress oxide sprays. Great. Here I had the idea, as you could see, to wrinkle it up a bit and then put some distress oxide, I believe. Don't know. On it, on the wrinkles to highlight it. Here, the same. I will decorate this, of course. Next page. Again, a double-sided page with a, don't know if you can see this, with the rip. Love it. So grungy. This piece of the music sheet I wrinkled up. I also wrinkled up and aged it with distress oxides. Here I put 2 pieces of a magazine. Nice pictures. And I will decorate this more and more. And yeah, this is, I don't understand why. I think because the pages are one-sided. This is upside down, but I don't mind because this is right. And of course, the back side again upside down. Maybe I glue something on it. So now we have 2 signatures to go in our journal cover. As I said, maybe I'll make a third, don't know. Let me count the pages and then decide what I'm going to do. So I will see you for the next video when we will be making the cover for this. So I hope you have a pleasant day stacking up pages recklessly, no matter the outcome, because you always can decorate it and it doesn't have to be perfect. Again, this is not rocket science. Just having fun with papers, just having fun with your imagination creating art. See you for the next video. Bye!